Imagine unlocking the secret to a $1,000 daily treasure chest with AI robots you probably haven't even heard of. These aren't your average tools. They're gateways to transforming your online hustle into a six-figure empire. Today, we're peeling back the digital curtain to reveal 5 AI powerhouses that are not just easy to use, but are shaping the future of business as we know it. Artificial intelligence, stripped down to its core, is intelligence demonstrated by machines, unlike the natural intelligence displayed by humans and animals. It's a realm where machines get smart, not just through programming, but by learning and adapting. The journey of AI, from a fledgling idea to the powerhouse driving today's technological revolution, is nothing short of meteoric. With roots tracing back to the mid-20th century, AI has evolved from theoretical research to an indispensable tool in our daily lives. This evolution isn't just rapid, it's exponential. Machines today aren't just following orders, they're predicting outcomes, making decisions, and even outsmarting humans in specific tasks. This leap from manual input to self-improvement is what sets AI apart. It's about machines using vast amounts of data to learn, refine their algorithms, and perform tasks with increasing precision over time. In the digital age, AI's role is undeniably pivotal. It's the silent engine powering innovations, from streamlining operations to personalizing customer experiences. Businesses harness AI not just to keep up, but to stay ahead, automating mundane tasks and gleaning insights from data that would take humans lifetimes to analyze. The emergence of AI robots marks a significant milestone in this journey. These aren't your run-of-the-mill tools. They're the vanguard of efficiency and productivity. The criteria for spotlighting AI tools in this discourse hinge on simplicity, the potential for profit generation, and their pioneering spirit. As we segue into the main content, it's clear that these AI tools aren't just gadgets, they're game changers. They embody the convergence of innovation, practicality, and the promise of a more profitable future for those ready to wield them. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please check out our other cool videos on this channel. We're about to uncover a suite of advanced AI tools that are rewriting the rules of online entrepreneurship. These aren't mere gadgets, they are the engines powering a new age of wealth creation. From automating mundane tasks to crafting personalized user experiences, these tools represent the pinnacle of digital strategy, turning savvy entrepreneurs into millionaires. Generated Photos revolutionizes the digital landscape, creating a direct pathway to innovative business models and revenue streams through the power of unique human avatars. This AI juggernaut transforms the approach to online presence by providing an arsenal of non-existent yet hyper-realistic human faces tailored for any business need. In the bustling world of online marketing and advertising, the asset of having bespoke images at one's disposal cannot be overstated. Where traditional photo shoots strain budgets with their exorbitant cost, generated photos emerge as a cost-efficient titan. Businesses no longer splurge on models, locations, or photographers. Instead, they invest in a tool that delivers personalized content at scale. Ease of use is where generated photos shine, offering a seamless interface to customize avatars across gender, age, and emotions to match precise marketing demographics. This level of customization empowers businesses to craft highly targeted advertising campaigns, increase relatability, and enhance customer engagement without breaking the bank. Beyond mere cost savings, generated photos pave the way for entirely new business models. Digital agencies now offer AI-generated imagery as a premium service, while e-commerce sites use bespoke avatars to create more engaging, trust-inducing experiences for their customers. Social media platforms and content creators leverage this technology to populate their feeds with diverse and inclusive imagery, resonating with a wider audience and fostering a sense of community and belonging. The success stories of businesses leveraging generated photos are a testament to its potential. From skyrocketing engagement rates to drastically reduced content production cost, the impact is palpable. These narratives are not just success stories, they're blueprints for any enterprise looking to carve out a competitive edge in the digital domain. Leveraging generated photos reaches its zenith when paired with cutting-edge tools designed to amplify its potential. Platforms like Adobe Creative Cloud offer sophisticated editing features that can refine and adapt these avatars for any campaign, while Canva's user-friendly design suite brings this power to non-designers, allowing for quick deployment of engaging visuals. For e-commerce, integrating with Shopify enhances product pages with lifelike avatars, directly influencing buyers' decisions. Writer.me stands as a linchpin in the AI writing assistant realm, transforming content creation from a daunting task into a streamlined process. This tool is about crafting messages that resonate, engage, and convert. With the capability to generate everything from punchy emails to compelling blog spots and captivating social media captions, Writer.me arms businesses with the power to communicate effectively across all digital forms. The value of high-quality content in today's digital marketing landscape can't be overstated. It's the currency that buys attention, trust, and ultimately, loyalty. Writer.me understands this, offering a platform where quality meets efficiency. Here, time and cost savings aren't just added benefits, they're integral. This tool cuts through the noise, enabling content creators to produce more and, more importantly, better content without the traditional overheads. Integrating Writer.me into a business strategy isn't just a move, it's a leap towards substantial growth and engagement. It allows brands to maintain a consistent and persuasive voice across all channels, crucial in building a cohesive online presence. The days of stale, uninspired content are over. Writer.me brings a dynamism to digital communication, enhancing clarity and connection with audiences. The tool's impact extends far beyond polished prose. It's about amplifying online communication in a way that directly boosts revenue generation. PlayHD steps into the spotlight as the frontrunner in text-to-speech AI software, marking a pivotal shift in how digital content communicates. Voice is the bridge connecting message to emotion, transforming static text into dynamic conversations. This tool isn't playing games, it's setting new standards, offering a spectrum of lifelike human voices that turn mere words into engaging auditory experiences. The significance of voice across online platforms, from captivating YouTube narrations to immersive e-learning materials, down to the personalized touch in marketing campaigns, cannot be understated. PlayHD's prowess lies in its ability to breathe life into a text, offering a suite of voices that can fit any one tone or context, ensuring content not just heard, but felt. The applications are as vast as the digital realm itself. YouTube creators find in PlayHD a reliable partner for voiceovers, bloggers enhance accessibility with audio versions of their posts, and businesses streamline customer service with automated yet surprisingly human-sounding messages. This versatility redefines engagement, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve in voice. Comparing PlayHD to traditional voice acting reveals a clear shift in content creation dynamics. Cost savings are evident, but it's the efficiency and scalability where PlayHD truly outshines. No scheduling conflicts, no retake hassles, just crisp, clear voice output ready in moments. For YouTube creators, PlayHD is a goldmine. By eliminating the need for expensive voiceover talent, creators are free to produce more content more frequently, boosting their channel's visibility and, by extension, their ad revenue and sponsorship opportunities. It's a simple equation. More content equals more views, which equals more money. E-learning has seen a similar revolution. Course creators are using PlayHD to produce professional quality audio for their lessons at a fraction of the cost, allowing them to scale their offerings rapidly. This scalability means tapping into a global market ready to pay for access to knowledge, transforming expertise into income. But here's where it gets interesting. Automated customer service. Businesses leveraging PlayHD for voice messaging and support systems are not just saving on operational cost, they're enhancing customer experience, leading to higher satisfaction rates, repeat business, and referrals. Happy customers are the lifeblood of any business, and PlayHD helps pump that blood more efficiently than ever. In marketing, personalized voice messages have opened new doors for engagement. Campaigns powered by PlayHD's dynamic voices see higher conversion rates because the message feels personal, direct. In an era where personalization is king, being able to speak directly to your audience's needs and emotions isn't just smart, it's profitable. Thus, PlayHD is more than just a tool. It's a strategy. It's a way to innovate, not just in how content is produced, but in how it's monetized. InVideo revolutionizes video creation, enabling users to convert text into dynamic content for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. This tool simplifies content production with drag-and-drop editing, a vast template library, and smooth transitions, catering to the surging demand for video content. InVideo's intuitive interface allows creators to swiftly move from concept to publication, bypassing the complexity of traditional video editing. The platform facilitates monetization and audience growth by enhancing the quality and appeal of video content. Creators without prior editing experience can easily craft professional-looking videos, securing a competitive advantage in the digital content landscape through efficient, high-quality production. Each tool, from generated photos to InVideo, represents a unique opportunity to elevate your online presence, engage with your audience on a deeper level, and, most importantly, open up streams of revenue that flow directly into the realm of millions. These tools embody the marriage of innovation and practical application, proving that with the right technological allies, the path to a six-figure empire is not just a dream, but a tangible reality. Remember, the digital revolution waits for no one. Embracing these AI powerhouses is not just about staying ahead in the game, it's about redefining the rules of engagement in the online world. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel.